According to a study for Durham College in 2003, the average home price was about 5.8 times the typical Canadian income. By 2023, this soared to 10.8 times, and among those aged 25 to 34, it now exceeds 20 times their earnings. So it's no wonder many young adults feel that home ownership is out of their grasp. It's no surprise that some turn to the bank of mom and dad to get a head start. Now, most parents feel the need to help their children, but what many don't realize is that a well-intended gift can carry some unexpected tax consequences, or worse, legal and family complications you never saw coming. In this video, we're going to walk through what you need to know before handing over that money, so you can protect yourself and your family. I'm Peter Guidote, Chartered Accountant, Certified Financial Planner, and Senior Portfolio Manager at CG Wealth Management. Let's get started. One of the biggest worries people have is, will I be taxed if I give money or property to my adult children? The good news is Canada does not have a gift tax. So if you give cash or personal belongings to your children, you don't have to pay tax on it, no matter how much you give. But there's an important catch when it comes to property, like real estate or investments. The Canada Revenue Agency treats gifting these assets as if you sold them at their current market value. That means you, the giver, might have to pay capital gains tax on any increase in value since you bought them. There is one important exemption. If the property is your principal residence, you may be able to avoid the capital gains tax altogether. That means gifting your home could be tax-free under certain conditions, but it's best to get professional advice if you are planning to do so. It's not the solution for many Canadians, but it is an option. Lastly, how to raise the funds in the most tax-efficient manner while minimizing income tax should be part of your financial plan. Another common question we get is, can I gift money to my children now to avoid probate fees later? This strategy is often used in provinces like Ontario or British Columbia, where probate fees can add up to a higher average cost than other provinces when settling an estate. But if you're in Quebec, for example, this doesn't apply, as Quebec doesn't charge probate fees if you have a notarial will. So giving away money solely to avoid probate fees is usually not necessary or beneficial in Quebec. Keep in mind, making permanent decisions with your money just to save a small fee later can backfire. It's important to be cautious and make sure you won't need those funds yourself down the road. Another common concern is, what happens if my child gets divorced or sued? Now, it's an important question because once a gift is made, the original owner loses control over it. And depending how the gift is handled, it could become exposed in a divorce settlement or be subject to claims from creditors. In many provinces, if a gift is commingled, for example, used to purchase a home or deposited into a joint account, it may lose its protection and be treated as marital property. To help protect gifted assets, some families use legal tools, such as a discretionary trust, which allows control over how and when the assets are distributed, or a personal loan agreement with a promissory note, which formally records the transfer as a repayable loan rather than a gift, or a deed of gift, a legal document that clearly confirms the transfer was intended as a gift. These strategies can help preserve the gift's intended purpose and reduce the risk of claims from spouses, creditors, or other legal disputes. Without proper planning, even a well-intentioned gift could unintentionally put both the funds and the family relationships at risk. Be sure to talk to your advisor if this is a concern that you have. Another question we get is, what if I need that money later? Now, it's something that every parent should think about carefully, because once you give the money away, it's gone. You can't ask for it back if your situation changes. And life does change. Unexpected health expenses or long-term care costs or even a market downturn could all impact your financial security. It's wise to only give funds you're absolutely certain you won't need in the future. Having a financial plan that budgets for this situation is even more important than ever. Now, beyond the financial risks, There's also the emotional side, the family dynamics. Giving money to one child can sometimes cause feelings of unfairness or resentment among siblings, especially if the gift isn't clearly explained or properly documented. Even parents with the best intentions can unintentionally create tensions this way. That's why having legal documentation, such as a deed of gift or a formal document that clearly shows the transfer was intended as a gift, is so important. It helps prevent misunderstandings or disputes down the line. There's also the issue of undue influence, which occurs when someone is pressured or persuaded to give a gift they might not have really chosen. When large gifts are made later in life without clear documentation, it can raise doubts among family members about whether the gift was truly voluntary. This uncertainty can lead to legal challenges and disputes, adding stress to an already difficult time. A well-planned gift should bring peace of mind, not problems for your loved ones. Gifting money to adult children can be a wonderful way to support their future, but it's not always simple. There are important financial, legal, and emotional factors to consider before you make a decision. Remember, the best gift you can give your children is a smart, secure plan, one that protects their future and yours. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful insights. If you're considering gifting money to your children, we offer a free strategy meeting to help you get it right. Just use the link or QR code on the screen to book a meeting. Also, subscribe to our newsletter to stay informed and receive a free estate record keeper to help your loved ones manage your estate. Remember to be kind to yourselves and to others, and I'll see you in the next video.